So, hey guys, my name is Shivam, and today I will be talking on the topic of mirroring. So, it's a very basic technique used by FBI negotiators and generally police in US and the Western countries to negotiating with the thieves and the situation to deal with situation like robbing or something situation where there is people are getting hostaged and how to effectively deal with them. So they find a technique. This is not a complete technique. They have a set of tools and tactics so that they could deal with a different situation and with a different type of thieves they have to they come their way. So the thing is there is a FBI negotiator who had written a very famous book, and on the basis of that book, I had compiled a very small or basic, or let's say it's a beginning way or beginning tactic so that we could begin our way in the field of negotiation. Secondly, what like how negotiating can help us, or like we are not in the FBI, so we all think that negotiating is just a waste of time for me, for all of us. But the thing is, in our day-to-day life, we all have to do negotiating with our partners, with our friends, colleagues, or even our boss in our offices. So like if we are in office and we have to increment in our we need some increment in our salary, so we need to basically negotiate with them. And if there is some mishappening in relationships, so there also we need to negotiate with them. So uh, I think directly jumping to the technique is a good thing for now. So the technique is very basic but have very magical properties attached with it. So what author says that whenever we need to negotiate, we have to make the other person to whom we are negotiating with, we need to uh, connect with them in such a specified way so that he or she will be open to us in that level that he can share the some important hints which we need to um, we need from them. Like as author has discussed in his book that uh, during the situation of hostaging where there are some hostages are kept inside some building, so definitely the situation is very stressful, so they need to talk in certain way so that they the thieves can communicate some hint which later can be used by the FBI and police in further what we can say further findings of like how to solve the further cases. So the very first and very basic technique is mirroring. You can also Google it. You can also see more videos related to it. So what mirroring is, when you're communicating with the other person, it can be your friend, colleague, like I had already said in earlier. It can be colleague, boss, your friend, or your partner in your relationship. So while negotiating, you like, for example, like he or she has said an important like in a conversation, he or she has said something, and what you have to do is you have to repeat last 2 to 3 words or at least some important phrase in that particular what he or she has just said, so that it gives him or her a message that you are being listened. And when this message are thrown in his or her brain, it's a common psychology of human being. Like when this type of message is being thrown in the brain of other person, he kind of feel important in himself, and sometimes it is 99% times that he or she used to give you an extra information which um, generally people not easily get to know from themselves. like like we can say that by doing this you are pulling them in your comfort zone, or a strong relationship, a strong bond of higher level is being formed from you and the person you are negotiating with. So the tactic is very simple. It is mirroring. You need to repeat the last 2 to 3 words, or at least some very important phrase during your conversation. Very simple, very basic, and very magical tactic you can follow. And it's a very basic, it's a very kind of beginning technique, and more techniques are coming your way soon. And yeah, this is what mirroring has to do. And just try it. Let me see how it works in the comment box below. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have find this insightful and helpful. And so thank you for listening to me and watching till this, what we can say, till the end. So thank you all. Thank you everyone.